Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and first of all, let me congratulate you on reaching this amazing milestone in your lives. Well done. Remember today those who got you to where you are, your parents, your grandparents, your brothers, your sisters, that teacher who took extra time to push you on. And your medical tutors and so many others who've helped you get to where you are. You're here because of others. As you move forward now, and it is a moment of pride for you, but also a moment for humility. You have the privilege and the chance to serve others, to serve those who are frightened, in pain, concerned for their futures, concerned for the futures of others. And you have, you in effect are a thin blue line, very often the first person that an unwell person sees, sometimes the last person someone will see in their life. But you need to bring your knowledge, you need to bring professionalism, you need to bring all your skills. But most of all, you need to bring your humanity, your compassion, your kindness. And never has compassion, kindness, solidarity been more important. You're going to begin to serve in very challenging times. And I'm sure many of you have fears. It would be really unusual if you weren't afraid. Fear keeps you safe. But you have to move forward. You have to take the precautions to keep yourself safe. You have to keep your colleagues safe. You have to keep your patients safe. By focusing on that and by just doing the things you have to do day to day, you'll save lives. Many of you will serve in different roles. Some of you in general practice, some of you in emergency rooms, some of you in intensive care units. Wherever you serve, your service will be important now for the COVID-19 response, but going forward into the future. You should be very proud of what you achieved and very proud of the university in which you've qualified. NUIG is a fine institution. Well, I qualified there myself in 1988, and I'm still in touch regularly with all of our colleagues. Last night, many of us exchanged emails about trying to meet up when all of this is over, as many of us exchanged stories of the different kinds of service we're giving in this response. NUIG has also contributed in many other ways to this pandemic response. Many quiet heroes that you may not even know. Jim Duggan in the engineering and informatics division and his team have been working for years with WHO on IT solutions, and I think at the moment are supporting the national response in Ireland. People like Professor Maura Connolly, who led a European-wide project over the last number of years called Pandem, which really predicted and was prophetic in many of the issues that we face today. People like Dr. Kathy Higgins, one of the public health doctors there in Galway, who's done amazing work in protecting people in Galway. Breda Smith from the same department, who's now supporting the national response out of Dublin. So many people from NUIG have been previously contributing to pandemic preparedness, are now contributing to pandemic response. You'll follow in their footsteps. There's much that you will do in your careers. And someday we'll look back on those careers and I hope feel the pride of having served. Congratulate you all once more. It's an amazing milestone in your life, an amazing moment to celebrate. It is a moment of trepidation, and you will find times of extreme exhaustion when it is very difficult to focus and carry on. But at those moments of exhaustion, it's the moments in many ways when you're under pressure, stressed, fearful and exhausted, is where you truly find yourself. You find the metal that's inside you to continue. You see so many thousands of doctors and nurses around the world doing the same every day in the fight of this pandemic. You are now the heroes of the world. Learn well, protect yourselves, protect others, and serve those who need our service. Thank you.